Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. Today we are heading into Magic Kingdom right now because we're gonna go and spend a little morning there. We are not rope dropping because that actually they just let people in 10 minutes ago, but we're going to go there a little early and still go and do a bunch of stuff. We're gonna see what we can get done kind of in the next like 3 hours until like noon or so. Check out some rides. They have this new spring popcorn that looks so good. It's got like all these like little like pastel type M&Ms and then like white chocolate sauce. It looks delicious. And the last time we got the peppermint one for Christmas and that was so good, so I can't wait for that. And then kind of see what else we get into. All right, we made it in, and I think we're gonna do 7 Dwarfs first. That one's only 45 minutes, and it normally gets busier throughout the day, like, and gets way longer, so we're gonna do that. I wanted to do Tron, but it's at 80 minutes, and I'm like, that's gonna take up like most of our time, so we'll see if it goes down. Maybe we'll switch later and do that one. They're still painting the castle. I'm so sad to see the paint go. I love the pink. I just love pink in general. But I don't remember most of it, like what it looked like before with like the gray and blue. It's already looking really nice though, so I'm excited to see it all done. Look at all the crystals. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And they all light up. Look at how cute these little guys are. You got it? Ready? Whee! It's the top water. That's fun. Look at the ceiling. All the 7 doors keep popping up. You can spin all of these little like crystal buckets and you can make them appear. Right. Oh, there it goes. Oh, look, it's Dopey. Look at how cute he is. He's playing a little thing. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there he is. I don't know if I've been in this line in a while, but I don't remember those. Those are so cool though. Here's our ride. It took a little longer than we expected. There were some delays, but we made it. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo! Here we go. Fun. I haven't been on that ride in a while, but it was cute. That took a little longer than expected though. They had some delays, so it was like 60 minutes, so a little longer than I wanted it to be, but it's okay. We're gonna go and get one of my favorite things though. They have this creme brulee croissant. It's absolutely delicious. It's like my favorite, so we're gonna go grab that. Hi! Could I get a creme brulee croissant? Thank you. This looks so good. I broke it in half and like look at all of that like custard that's on the inside. So it basically has like sugar and like the creme brulee on the outside and then a bunch of filling on the inside. It's so good. It's nice and sweet like on the outside and it's like so flaky, but then on the inside all the custard is kind of like just nice and smooth. It's so good. And it's really big, which is perfect, so then you can like split it with people. Definitely a winner. Okay, it's around 11 o'clock now, and so it's ticking up. A lot of the bigger rides like Tiana, Space Mountain, Tron, and everything are kind of really high. They're like 60 minutes or longer. So I think we're gonna go back into Tomorrowland and maybe do like the cars. It's something fun. I always love to drive them and they're cute. So we're gonna do that. And maybe like the People Mover or the Astro Orbiter or maybe like just something around there. That's not too long of a wait. Oh, it's only 20 minutes. Sounds good. We're at number 1. We get to lead it. Be in the front. So which one's our ride? Ooh, we get a blue one. All right, we ready?
Let's go.
Let's do this. Woo! I'm not sure if I'm ready. I have to lead all of them. Look at all them back there. Why is ours going so slow? Oh, we're going very, very slow. Oh look, there's people on the People Mover.
There's people on the People Mover. What are the odds?
This thing, our car is really slow. Oh look, I'm passing them. Yeah, you.
Come on, Tron.
Yeah!
Yes, we did it.
It's the best ride. I'm not good at this.
Okay, don't hit the side.
Whee! I'm doing great. I feel like I'm really in England.
Yeah, you are driving on the opposite side. It's like we're across the pond.
Oh my gosh, and I'm on the left side. Did we drive on the left side in England?
No, you're on the right side.
Yeah, but weren't we on the left lane too?
Well, I don't think it matters. We're just wherever they put us. But yes, this is like if you were driving in England.
I could totally do this. Okay, now we have to not hit the car. I won't. I got this.
Survey says still coming in hot. Oh God!
Yeah, I did it.
Oh!
There you go.
How do you feel?
We did it.
You did it.
I feel pretty good.
Okay, that's good.
I think I did well.
I think you did great.
Mild.
I give that an 8.9 out of 10.
Fair.
There was a lot of bouncing around a little bit.
We're gonna work on it.
Exactly.
It reflects my own driving skills.
Yes, it does reflect your own driving skills.
Oh no, we gotta go.
Let's go.
That was super fast. It only took us 15 minutes in total, like with the ride. But that one's always fun. It's cool to get to like drive it. We're gonna, I think, go on the People Mover and just like go ride that and chill and kind of go see everything and maybe get a closer look at the castle. It's gonna be nice and relaxing. Just take a nap.
I know.
I don't know if I've been on those in a long time, but they're so cute. There goes Tron.
Presented by Energy.
There's the castle. Oh, the whole back of it is all painted.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. I didn't realize they painted the whole like side of it.
Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny.
I totally want that one day. That would be so cool if they could make that. The People Mover is so nice. It's so relaxing. And you can just take in the whole park. Just chill. Oh, there it goes.
Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles.
Oh, we're going into Space Mountain.
Oh yes.
I wonder if we can see them all. Oh my gosh, there they are. There's people there. Ha! No way. That's a little astronaut. Chip and Dale, what is their costumes? They're cute.
They look like
Are they like little aliens? Oh yeah, little space guys. They're so cute. Something I don't see a lot is characters when we're at the parks. We tend to come more at night or like during the day, but we don't even get here until like 12. So normally a lot of them are already like almost gone. But it's cool to just see them all around. I saw Alice and the Mad Hatter today, and Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. Those were cute too. There's the beautiful castle. Oh, it's already almost painted. I feel like they've gone really fast.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
That ride was so nice and relaxing. It's nice to actually like take in all the park too and get to see the castle and like all of it painted. It is already 12 o'clock now, so we're gonna make our way to Main Street. Before we leave, I really want to go to the shops and see if they have these Wishables. I got a Stitch one for Christmas, like during Christmas time, and it was so cute. But then I've seen that they had like Dalmatians. I think they had like Zootopia and maybe something else. So I want to go see what they have, maybe check out a little bit of merch, and then get some popcorn. All right, let's find some Wishables. Where are you? They got the Disney ducks. Ooh, these are brand new.
Oh wow.
Look at all of them. They have Maleficent, Olaf. Aw, I like little Olaf. Oh, look at the aliens. That one's so cute. And they got little Mickey. Cute. They have Stitch. They got little Minnie. The alien. Oh no, this is Buzz. That's Buzz too. So they have the Buzz and alien. Those are cute. I like those two. They got Donald. They got Woody. Oh, they got Winnie the Pooh. And Ursula. And Ariel. Oh, they have Moana. I've never seen a Moana duck. And then they got Elsa. I think my favorites are these. These are so cute. I've never seen Moana. I have a little Olaf one, but it doesn't look like that. Those are cute. They are like $5 a piece though. I used to get them at $5 and below, and they would be, I think, like $1 or $2. But they are really cute. I like how they have even more characters. Ooh, I found them. Ooh, I've never seen the new ones. I don't know. You don't. They're like blind boxes. They've got the little train conductor guy. Then they have like their like Mickey and Friends like collection, which also looks really cute. And now they have a new one that's up. I've never seen this one. We might have to get this one. I kind of want, they all look cute. I don't know, I picked up this one, so part of me says maybe I should get this one. Should we just pick this one?
Yeah.
All right, let's go with that.
That one has chosen you. You have not
Yes,
chosen it.
it has chosen me. These look really cute. I saw these on TikTok the other day, but I thought they were only in Disneyland. But now they're here in Disney World. But I love a good blind box. If you guys haven't seen Disney Springs videos, I'll link them down below. I've been to the drop box now 2 or 3 times, and it is so much fun. I just love opening little blind boxes because you never know what's inside. And they always have like the cutest ones, so they're so much fun. All right, we got it. I'm so excited. Also, if you are an annual pass holder, just so you know, you can get a discount on it. Instead of like $17, $18, I believe it was like only $14 or $15. So you get a couple dollars off, just so you know that. But you do have to ask. They don't always ask you, so just make sure to ask so you can get a little extra off. I don't know which one I want though. I kind of like all of them. I really want the dog maybe. Or like the grandma and grandpa are so cute. So is this, maybe not the bird. That's probably my least favorite out of all of them. Let's see what we get. It says there's a little surprise. Nothing to see here. Tape is the worst. All right, are we ready? Oh, okay. She's cute. Look at how cute she is with the little star eyes. That is adorable. Oh, and it's glittery. Look at her little shirt, it's all glittery. That's so cute. I actually really like her. These are so much fun. I could buy like 50 of them. I love a good wishable. What's not to love about a blind box? They're just so great. She's gonna go perfect right next to little Stitch. Next time I might have to come back and get Grandpa, but I might get a duplicate. I might have to chance it at some point, but these are so cute. But now before we leave, we have to go get the most important part and the reason why we are all here, the popcorn. Oh, they got some Easter treats. Look at this. Those are cute, little candy apples. They got little Rice Krispie treats. Oh, they have a little bunny. Look how cute that is. They got a strawberry mini. And then the spring one. Oh, they even have a little chocolate cake pop. That's cute. That's the popcorn we're going for. It's got vanilla wafers, marshmallows, M&Ms, all sorts of good stuff. I'm so excited. It looks so good. Look at that. Look at all that. Look at the little M&Ms. That's the best part. They double it.
They double it up.
I just love the M&Ms. Or marshmallows. Oh my gosh, I love sprinkles. Thank you. Okay, this looks so good. So it's got like white chocolate sauce, then it's got like all these cute little M&Ms, and they're like all like in these like pastel colors, like blue, pink, yellow, purple. It's so pretty. And then it's got little vanilla wafers, marshmallows. It looks delicious with like this little like kettle corn. I'm so excited. I'm trying to get everything in one bite. That might be difficult, but we're gonna try. That's really good. It's so nice and like salty mixed with sweet. It's like this really good mix where it's not overly sweet, but it's not also not like overly salty. It's so good. And these M&Ms, I just love. They're like so springy. It's delicious. Oh, and it even has sprinkles on it. I missed that. But it has like all these little colorful sprinkles. It's so good. This is so fun though. They have different specialties. They had like a Valentine's one, then for Christmas they had a peppermint one, and now they have a spring one. But you can go in there and choose from a bunch of different toppings, a bunch of different sauces like chocolate, I think caramel, white chocolate, all sorts of different things, and create like your whole own. But then they also have these, which is nice. This is so good though. Definitely worth it. All right, well, it's now about 12:30, so we're gonna head home now. The crowds are getting busy, but this was such a fun morning. We're gonna take our little popcorn home. This is so big too. Like, look at it. Like, it's really big. I love it. I'm gonna take it back to my sister's and we'll all eat it. It is so good though. It's just my favorite. But this has been so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. Let me know down below if you guys have any ideas, any parks or things you want me to film. Let me know down below. If you haven't yet, please make sure to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!